And now, San Diego Connect.
As we navigate life through the pandemic, it's important to keep in mind that any other health concerns you might have shouldn't be put on the back burner. And that's part of the message that Dr. Jordan Cohen from Alvarado Hospital is here to share with us. Doctor, thank you so much for being with us. And my first question for you is, what is the most serious health crisis we're facing right now?
Thank you, Alex. Yes, at Alvarado, we are combating COVID. However, we are even more concerned about the medical isolation that COVID has engendered in our community. We have seen countless stroke, heart attack, trauma patients ignore their symptoms and not come to the ER for fear of COVID. We have seen a dramatic uptick in cardiac arrest from chest pain patients not coming to the ER, and we want to reassure the public that it is safe.
So what are the safety measures that you've instituted to keep these patients safe?
Well, we have a completely separate respiratory ER separated from the rest of the patients, nestled by 2 negative pressure rooms, which suck the air from the ER to the outside to keep the air safe from COVID. All patients obviously have their temperature taken and their symptoms. All staff have their temperature taken and have their symptoms taken before they're allowed to enter the room. Everybody has a mask on, patients, staff. There are no visitors allowed. Our cleaning and disinfection process is very meticulous according to CDC guidelines.
And to use an everyday example, how would you rate the risk of catching COVID in an ER as compared to the grocery store or going out to eat?
There isn't any research on this, but we believe that it is safer than a grocery store or a restaurant. A restaurant has recirculated air with people sitting and laughing and talking and not wearing masks. Everybody in our ER is wearing masks. I think it's safer than a grocery store or a restaurant to be in the Alvarado ER.
Excellent, Doctor. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you want more information, call 800-258-2723, or you can visit alvaradohospital.com for a host of resources. Again, the number 800-258-2723.